So why am I excited about CSU? I'm excited about having individuals who might not have had an opportunity to come into this amazing career path within customer success. When I started my career back almost 20 years ago, females weren't well represented in technology, and I certainly had struggles with regard to getting started in that career path that I hope CSU provides an open door for individuals who are underrepresented in CS. So how did I get started as a CSM? I actually started my career in technology managing projects and having a lot of internal customers that I had to manage effectively. That led to my first CSM role where I managed external facing customers and did so very effectively, which led to account management and then back to CSM. So it's been a long career path, at a very fulfilling career path. And I think it just goes to show that anyone with a background where you're servicing others can be in the customer success industry. The day in the life of a customer success manager, it can be very different. You're gonna have those days where you have your to-do list and you have your customer meetings, and you're effectively able to work through both just as you planned. And then you're gonna have those days where your customer needs something from you and they need you to drop everything on that to-do list in order to prioritize what their needs are. What is the most important skill that a CSM must possess? I think from a soft skill perspective, empathy and the ability to listen. Oftentimes when we're in with customers, we wanna talk a lot, and I think the more effective CSMs are those ones that step back and let their customers do most of the talking. So if there's one thing I would work on if I was starting my career over, it's developing those listening skills and having empathy as you listen to really boost those natural connections that you're making during your calls and meetings with your customers.